Liberty Band and Newsboys. It's the same thing over and over again. So left hand, you're just going from G to A, and then holding on C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right hand, G chord. So you're going to be doing using the C, the B, and the A. So it goes like this. Just put them together. The way I usually like to do it is do that for the verse, pre-chorus. When you get into the chorus for the first time, I go up an octave with my right hand and I just hold it. So this is actually up here. My heart, Jesus, I place in your hand. I'm gonna live in the band. And I do the same thing for the bridge. Once you get to the bridge, I cut out my right hand for the first time through and just do. I'll give you all I have. Then I do that here. Whoopsie. Give you all I am. The last time, then I go up to that high, go up an octave again. Come back, gonna give you all I am. Never abandoned. And then stay on the high, just to kind of hold it out there for the kind of the cut chorus after the bridge. But that's all it is. And that just keeps repeating over the top of the G, the A, and the C.